Hi, I hope everyone is doing fine. I hope you're all catching up with your requirements of this course and with your other classes. Now it's time for our second assignment as we end week 9. The title of your second assignment is My Course Introduction. As I am making this assignment 2 instructions in a video format, I would also like you to create your own short video. Okay, my course introduction. You are required to create a short video introducing the course or subject that you're teaching right now or the organization that you are connected with right now, where you're currently working. You may use Screencast-O-Matic, the same as what I'm using right now. Playback for those who are using Apple products. Present.me and the usual Windows Movie Maker if you're more comfortable in using that, or any other application or program that you're using in creating videos. Okay, the guidelines are you have to create your video for a minimum of 2.5 minutes and a maximum of 3 minutes. Okay, so you just stay beyond that duration. Don't go under, don't go over. The video should contain slides or visuals that present text or images and photos of the subject or course that you are teaching or the organization that you are with right now, and include yourself in the video making the presentation. Ensure that your audio is clear and your webcam is eye level so that when the viewers see your video, you are like talking to them directly. The deadline for the submission of your second assignment is on March 31, Saturday, on or before 11:55 p.m. So you have 6 days to do this assignment. Then you upload on the web and share the link. Okay, to save on space and bandwidth, I would like you to upload your video in an online platform like YouTube, Vimeo, Google Drive, or even Facebook. Okay, and then just share on our online class under week 9. You may embed if you're going to upload in YouTube, you can embed it in our online class and it will show there directly. And then for the rest, you can just share the link with me. Okay, make sure that I can access your video. Make it in public settings so that it's open. And also, yeah, for Google Drive, please make sure that you give me access to it. You may include some sound effects or background music, but this is optional. Okay. If you need technical assistance, you may ask for my help or your classmates who are tech savvy, or maybe you can even ask your students or your children to help you out with this. But most importantly, of course, make sure to enjoy creating your video. This may not be the first time for most of you, but for some of you, maybe this is the first time that you're creating a video, so this is an experimentation, and I hope you will have fun creating it. I hope to get your assignment on or before the deadline. Okay? Thanks. Bye.